There is a concise way of defining a function with lambda expression. Similar to function reference, you have to start the variable name with a capital letter. Between the curly braces, list of arguments with arrow pointing right, and expression. To access the variable, you do not need a colon prefix. You can call this function as you call any other function. You can override the function with a bang, but you cannot do the same using the lambda expression, so you have to name the variable name different from an already existing function. Now the function works as expected. There's a couple of differences between a normal function and lambda function. One, it does not raise any errors even if you passed in extra arguments. Two, it only accepts expression and not commands. So this will not be valid, but you can return a string and echo it later.